Shiso, Japanese basil, has amazing refreshing aroma and matches with any type of dish. I am introducing the best 4 recipes that you can enjoy shiso. The first recipe is shiso spring rolls. First, let's prepare spring roll ingredients. Cut the shiso sheets in half. Use 3 sheets for 6 spring rolls. Cut the bacon and cheese into small rectangles. Please use your favorite cheese. Shredded cheese is fine. Prepare 3 sheets of spring roll skin. Cut them in half. I got 6 of them, so now I'm going to make the rolls. Put half shiso leaf first. Put cheese. And put bacon. I will roll while holding the ingredients by hand. Bend both ends. Roll only one turn while holding down the bent ends. Water the edges of the remaining skin. Roll up and finish. Put extra water if there is a gap. Let's do one more. I will roll while holding the ingredients by hand. Bend both ends. Roll only one turn while holding down the bent ends. Water the edges of the remaining skin. Roll up and finish. Make 6 rolls in the same way. Now it's ready to fry. You don't have to prepare a large amount of oil. Oil that half soaks the spring rolls is fine. When the oil is warm, let's start frying. Please note that if the temperature is too high, it will burn quickly. Fry until the both sides turn golden brown. Ready to eat. It's super crispy. The melted cheese and salty bacon are so delicious. The subtle flavor of shiso is the perfect match for this. The second recipe is shiso salmon pasta. Wash shiso leaves and pat dry with paper towel. Cut the shiso into fine stripes. Cut the onion as well. Cut salmon into bite-sized. I use the salmon skin because it's fresh salmon, but peel off the skin as you like. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the salmon. Prepare a frying pan and put 1 teaspoon butter. Cook the salmon. Make the skin crispy. Take it out once it is cooked. Put 1 teaspoon grated garlic and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Warm up for a while. Put onion when you can smell the garlic. Cook until it becomes transparent. Cook spaghetti with salt. Drain the hot water and transfer the spaghetti to the pan. Put the salmon back in the pan. Put seasonings: 1 teaspoon bouillon cube, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix a little. Then put 2 teaspoons butter. Butter should be put out after the fire is extinguished so that the flavor is not lost. Add shredded shiso and sesame. Please mix well. Sprinkle black pepper as you like. Ready to eat! The flavor of soy sauce and butter goes so well with salmon. Refreshing shiso is definitely an essential topping for this Japanese-style pasta. The third recipe is shiso tomato salad. Wash the shiso and pat dry with paper towel. Cut the shiso into fine. Cut the tomato into dice. Put them into a bowl. Put seasonings: 2 teaspoons vinegar, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, and sesame. Finally, let's put a little lemon juice. Mix well. This is super easy recipe, right? Shiso leaves matches so well with fresh tomato. You must love a little sour and refreshing dressing with amazing shiso flavor. I think it goes well with the baguette too. The last recipe is Shiso Miso. Wash the shiso and pat dry with paper towel. Please use 5 to 6 sheets of shiso for 1 to 2 servings of shiso miso. Cut the shiso into fine. Prepare a small pot. Pour 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Put half teaspoon grated ginger and grated garlic. then warm on low heat. When you can smell the garlic, add 1 tablespoon miso paste, 2 teaspoon mirin, and 2 teaspoon sugar. Mix while warming over low heat. Add shiso after boiling down a little. Turn off the heat when it thickens. At the end, sprinkle dried bonito shavings to taste. Ready to eat! This is all-purpose seasoning that can be attached to anything. I think this goes so well with tofu, salad, or whatever you like. I recommend eating with rice. I made onigiri and spread the miso evenly and thinly. Sweet, salty miso sauce is extremely delicious and perfect for the rice. Shiso flavor gives a refreshing scent to the rich miso taste. Please try to match with various dishes.